Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and linking a wallet so Coinamatic can read balances securely. Enter credentials, then choose MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Hardware wallets work too. Once done, enable biometric or 2FA for quick access and write down the seed phrase offline. This prevents lockout. Make sure to confirm network selection, Ethereum, BSC, etc. before proceeding, because transactions and fees depend on it. Now you're ready to move into portfolio actions and token operation. You choose the token pair and examine liquidity, slippage tolerance, and projected price impact so trades don't fail. Once selected, set gas limit or choose a preset speed, preview the fee to avoid surprises. Approve token allowances only for necessary contracts, then execute the swap. If you prefer automation, set a limit order or DCA schedule. These reduce timing risk. Monitor the Activity tab for pending or failed transactions, and cancel or retry where required. You finish by confirming balances and exporting a CSV for your records so accounting stays clean. Withdraw tokens to an external wallet or use the integrated on-ramp to convert to fiat. Follow KYC prompts where applicable. If a transaction fails, first check non-C, gas price, and selected network. These are common causes. Once done, retry with corrected settings or contact support including the TX hash and screenshots. Remember, patience with confirmations prevents double spends and unnecessary fee loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.